Hey everyone, my name is Calvin and I'm with Family First Life Forefront. We're just a team of Family First Life. And the reason you're getting this video is because I'm going to go over some commonly asked questions about how insurance agents get paid, what the comp structure looks like, how they get promoted, how the actual job, what are the actual job duties. So with becoming a life insurance agent, we'll pay for your pre-licensing course, which is a $300 voucher. That's through Excel. A couple of things that you'll need to do ahead of time, which we'll send you an onboarding email if we decide to hire you, is we're going to send you an email that says, hey, you'll need to schedule your exam. If you schedule your exam in the next, 7 days and you pass, we'll give you a 10% raise. Everyone starts at 90% commission. So if you pass your test within 7 days, we'll give you 100% commission level or a 10% raise. Additionally, if you pass that course within 7 days, it's also going to help you get started a lot faster in this business because it does take a little bit of time to get your carrier contracts to get submitted and approved through each individual carrier that we offer. So you'll get that email. It'll tell you how to schedule your exam. You'll reply to that email with a screenshot of the day and time that your exam is scheduled for. We'll send you a course voucher. That course voucher is good for the Excel Solutions Life Insurance Producer Exam Prep course. That's a 40-hour course. It'll coach and teach you to pass your exam. Once you pass your exam, you'll apply for your insurance license through whatever state that you live in. Once they appoint you your insurance license, then we'll take you through the onboarding process of getting applying for insurance carriers, getting onboarding training for your new agent boot camp that we'll put you through, and we'll assign you a mentor that's going to be your direct point of contact to get you inside of all of our Zoom rooms, free training, and get you ready to hit the phones. Here at our company, we do offer a hybrid system, a virtual system, or an in-home system. It's whatever you prefer. If you want to go to people's houses, or if you want to do it all over the telephone, or if you want to do a mixture of the two, it's completely up to you. We'll train you to be successful in either direction that you want to head. That's completely up to you as an individual. I've personally done both. I've personally helped over 510 families back-to-back years. So we definitely know how to train and get you successful. It's just a matter of you're willing to be coachable and apply the systems and knowledge that we have to be successful. So once you pass the new agent boot camp, obviously we'll get you in that new agent training and the Zoom room, and then you'll be able to hear everyone making their own phone calls, setting appointments with their clients, making sales. You'll have live feedback from your mentor and other people in the Zoom room, so that way you know what you're doing wrong. We can fix it right away, and we're not trying to fix something that's 2 weeks old. Pay structure, big question here. It is a 100% commission only position, which means that you are 1099 and you're paid directly from the insurance carrier. If we use like 100% commission level as an example, if you sell a policy that's worth $100 a month, or that the client pays $100 a month for, you'll get a 9-month advance on that money, which you'll get paid $900 as soon as that policy issues. And then you'll get paid the rest of the money, which is called back-end money, on month 10, 11, 12, however that would fall. And then you'd get a renewal every year that client keeps that policy. And then you also can earn agent bonuses, agency bonuses, carrier bonuses, a bunch of different income levels throughout, or a couple of different income earning opportunities throughout your career and on a monthly basis. So that's the basics of the commission structure. You can earn all the way up to 130% commission selling at a high level on your own pen, which is like verbiage for just by selling by yourself. You don't have to recruit anybody to be successful here. You can make a really good living just by selling insurance and being left alone. If you want to build an agency, you're more than happy to do that. Now let's talk about leads. It's a really common question. Leads. Since you do start at a high commission level, we do not supply your own leads. We do have lead vendors you can buy from, or you can create your own leads, or you can buy leads from wherever you want. We don't care where you get the leads from. It doesn't really matter, as long as they're good quality leads that you can actually make some money off of. A typical lead you would see range between $1 all the way up to $50 to $80. It just depends on the quality of lead, how old the lead is, what type of lead it is. So it's a variable process, and it just depends on which direction we're going to head. On average, someone would spend between $1,000 to $2,000 a week on leads to earn somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000. Someone that would pay about $500 a month on leads, or invest about $500 a month or a week on leads, they would probably submit somewhere between $5,000 and $7,000 of insurance per week. It's going to vary depending on skill set, obviously, and none of that's guaranteed. But from my personal experience, I personally spend about $1,500 a week on leads, and I issue, pay, or submit between $10,000 and $20,000 a week on business that I submit to the insurance carrier. Now, with that business, there is these things called chargebacks. Chargebacks are what happens if someone cancels their policy and you got paid a commission on it. So it's just like if you returned a shirt. If the client cancels the policy or charges back, you would get a chargeback from that commission and it'd be prorated towards your next commission. So like, let's say you sell 2 policies and one cancels, you'd get paid for 1 policy because one person kept their insurance policy. That's what a chargeback is and how it works. You are liable to, pay those back if they advance you the money on it. Nowadays, we have it set up to where you get paid on it. You get paid on issue, which means you get paid when the client pays, which means that if they make their first month premium, you get paid your 9-month advance. So that is the commission structure and how you get paid. Now, at the end of the year, taxes, right? So at the end of the year, taxes come, you'll get a bunch of 1099s from all your insurance carriers and you'll file a Schedule C. So I'm not a tax advisor, but you'll have deductions that you'll take that you'll discuss with your tax advisor, and that's how you'll pay your taxes or whatever your return will be. That's never been a problem for me. I've never had an issue with it. It's one of those things that you are an independent sole proprietor, independent contractor. So that's something that you're going to have to deal with. It's not like a W-2 job where they take the taxes out. If you do have any other questions about how insurance agencies work or how to become an insurance agent, it's a very lucrative business. It's super fun. You get to help a ton of families. You get to make a great living for yourself. And ultimately you have the freedom to make your own schedule, and you have the freedom to build. You have an uncapped income. So you have the freedom to build something big. You have the freedom to make as much money as you possibly want to make. You can unlock your full potential. I really love the insurance industry. I think it's a great place to be. You can help people with retirement. You get to help make sure that families get delivered checks whenever their loved ones die. You get paid great. You build your own schedule. We have part-time agents. We have full-time agents. We have people that work 10 hours a week. We have people that work 80 hours a week. So there's a flavor for everybody. It just kind of depends on what your overall goal is and what you're trying to accomplish, and how we can leverage that system to make sure that we get you to what your overall income goal or your time management goal is. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Calvin.wright. My phone number is 970-314-4037, and we're with Forefront Agency.